4 reasons why you should hire Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. In this decade, most people know that polyurethane technology is vastly superior to mudjacking. Mudjacking techniques deface slabs with large holes and have a high failure rate of resettling. Polyurethane is a smart choice. However, simply selecting any polyurethane provider does not guarantee success. Most companies use a low-density, high-yield material to maximize profits, which isn't necessarily in your best interest. When you choose Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, you get a high-density material that meets the compressive strength requirements to lift and support highways. Raising concrete is not always straightforward. It is important to begin any project by receiving an estimate from an experienced concrete raising specialist. All too often, inexperienced salespeople improperly evaluate settled concrete. Motivated by sales commissions, salespeople with no first-hand concrete raising experience unknowingly set projects up for failure. This is a problem with multi-service companies who focus on other things such as concrete coatings, power washing, or basement waterproofing. When you choose Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, an experienced technician will evaluate your project, not a commissioned salesperson. Our estimators have actual hands-on experience, thus enabling them to provide a professional evaluation. As the exclusive provider of the Smart Lift system, our performance is unmatched by the competition. Our customers benefit from a wide variety of engineered materials, specialized equipment, and professionally trained certified technicians. When you choose the Smart Lift system, you're also protected by Estimate Guard, guaranteeing you the greatest value for concrete raising. The only way to become the best is by experience. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair has been laser focused on polyurethane technology longer than anyone else in Chicagoland. Our expertise is wide-ranging and reflected by our client base, 50% being commercial and municipal customers. Our reputation speaks for itself, and when you choose Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, your project is in the best possible hands from start to finish.